Hey, are you awake? I was thinking we should plan a day trip this weekend.
A day trip sounds great. Where do you want to go?
I'm not sure yet, but I want someplace relaxing.
Same here. Do you prefer nature or a city vibe?
Definitely nature. I need a break from noise.
Then maybe we can find a place with trees, hills, or maybe a lake.
Oh, a lake sounds perfect. Do we have one nearby?
Yeah, Lakewood Park is only an hour away.
1 hour is perfect, not too far.
And it has nice picnic areas too.
I love picnics. Should we bring food or buy something there?
Bringing food is healthier.
True. I can make sandwiches and cut some fruit.
Great. I'll bring drinks and snacks.
What snacks are you thinking of?
Maybe chips, nuts, and cookies.
Nice. And water bottles, obviously.
Yes, we need to stay hydrated.
What time should we leave?
Early morning, maybe around 7.
7 is good. The air is cooler then.
And there's less traffic.
Should we check the weather?
Good idea. I'll check.
What does it say?
Sunny, around 24 degrees.
That's perfect weather.
And no rain at all.
Great. So the trip is happening.
Absolutely. Should we invite anyone else?
Maybe just the two of us this time.
I like that. Peaceful and simple.
Small trips always feel better.
What else should we bring?
A picnic blanket.
And maybe a Bluetooth speaker.
Good idea. Music makes it better.
Should we bring books?
Yes, I can read by the lake.
I'll bring my camera.
You take great photos.
Thanks. Nature shots always look amazing.
We can take cute selfies, too.
Definitely.
Should we plan any activities?
We can walk, relax, or play games.
Cards?
Yes, cards or a small board game.
Sounds fun.
They also have paddle boats to rent.
Really? I want to try that.
Let's do it then.
Should we dress casually?
Comfortable clothes for sure.
I'll wear jeans and a light shirt.
I'll wear shorts and a t-shirt.
Don't forget sunscreen.
I won't. I learned from last time.
That sunburn was horrible.
Never again.
Should we bring hats?
Hats and sunglasses.
What about mosquito spray?
Good idea near the lake.
Should we carry a small first aid kit?
Yes, just in case.
So food, drinks, blanket, speaker, books, camera, first aid.
We're planning a full adventure.
That's the fun part.
Should we make a schedule?
Like what?
Leave at 7, reach by 8, walk around.
Then sit by the lake for brunch.
Exactly.
Then paddle boating around noon.
And photos in the afternoon.
Perfect plan.
Should we bring a trash bag?
Yes, we must keep the place clean.
Absolutely.
Will it be crowded?
Maybe. It's the weekend.
Should we go earlier?
How about 6:30?
Okay, I can wake up early.
Same here.
Should we shop for anything today?
Just snacks, maybe.
I'll get them later.
Perfect.
Should we bring umbrellas?
Small foldable ones.
Good idea.
Do you want to bring a journal?
Yes, I love writing outdoors.
That will be peaceful.
Should we pack chargers?
Definitely.
Should we bring a small table?
No need. The blanket is enough.
True.
Should we bring extra clothes?
1 extra shirt each.
Good thinking.
Do we need towels?
Small ones, yes.
Okay.
We should sleep early the night before.
Yes, to have energy.
I'm excited already.
Me too.
Should we make a playlist?
I'll make a chill playlist.
Perfect for the lake.
Should we bring games?
Just a deck of cards.
Works for me.
Should we bring fruit juice?
Mango or orange?
Mango sounds great.
Should we pack the night before?
Yes, it saves time.
I'll prepare the food in the morning.
I'll pack the drinks.
Should we bring ice packs?
Yes, so everything stays cool.
Good idea.
Do we need a pillow?
Maybe one small pillow.
Okay.
Should we bring binoculars?
Yes, for bird watching.
Love that.
Want to bring your sketchbook?
Yes, I like drawing nature.
The lake view will inspire you.
Should we carry a map?
No, the phone GPS is enough.
True.
Should we bring a thermos of tea?
Yes, morning tea by the lake sounds amazing.
Peaceful and calming.
Should we bring napkins?
Yes, always helpful.
Should we bring backup snacks?
Maybe some extra nuts.
Okay.
Should we bring swimming clothes?
No, we're not swimming.
Right.
Should we bring a kite?
That's a cute idea.
It could be fun.
Let's bring a small one.
Done.
Should we bring a tripod?
Yes, for both of us in one photo.
Good idea.
I think this trip will be wonderful.
I think so too.
Thanks for planning with me.
Thank you for suggesting it.
We really needed a break.
Yes, absolutely.
So we'll wake up early and enjoy the day.
Definitely.
Are you ready for the adventure?
Always ready.
Then it's decided. Day trip this weekend.
Can't wait.